How you doing today? Yeah, you know who it is. It's been a long weekend. It's the Earl from Earl's Products. I hope everybody had a great 4th of July weekend. Enjoyed yourselves. Enjoyed the nice weather we had. Stayed safe and stayed healthy. On to our product review for today. We're going to look at the Alesis, Alesis Surge Mesh Kit. It's the eight-piece electronic drum kit with mesh heads. It can produce 385 sounds, 60 play-along tracks. It comes with a USB MIDI connectivity, and it's by Alesis, Alesis. It maintains a 4.5 overall stars rating. It maintains for beginners a 4.6 rating. Value for your money is a 4.6 rating. Easy to assemble is a 4.5 rating. Sturdiness is a 4.4. Sound quality is a 3.1. Right around a 3.2 from what I looked at from the reviews. The drum kit has a natural feel for a premium response. The 8-inch mesh kick drum tower with kick drum pedal included. 10-inch dual zone mesh snare and three 8-inch dual zone mesh tom pads is included. You can express yourself with this with a 10-inch cymbal, ride cymbal, hi-hat, crash with chalk. Very sound worthy. Connectivity is covered. Inbuilt sequencer to record your own playing. Connect your MP3 player to the aux input for jamming to your favorite tracks or records. Control the MIDI using onboard USB, MIDI input and output. It's everything you need. Four posts, it comes with it. 4 posts, everything comes with it. 4-post chrome rack, connection cables, drumsticks, drum key, and power supply included. I'm sure you got to plug it into the power outlet though, right? Yeah. Justin Johnson gave it a 5 stars back in November of 2018, and a Christopher Brandt, Brandt, gave it a 5 stars back in July of 2018. This is definitely a product that Earl's Products wants to promote. It definitely looks like a product that is not only sturdy but capable of producing music as you'd want to produce it, whether it be in a studio or in your garage. It's the price is somewhat up there, but I'm sure it's worth your price. It's definitely a great product. I've looked at additional products like this, and their ratings are not as good, and the reviews are not as good. So that's why I picked this product today. So we definitely want to promote this product for Earl's Products and for our goal. So once again, thank you for your time, and thank you for listening, and please subscribe to my channel and like my channel. I look forward to it, and I'll see you again next time. Have a great day.